DeeperThanBlue provides services and solutions to help clients undertake digital transformation. DeeperThanBlue have recently relocated to the Sheffield city centre. This is to help drive the next stage of our business growth. We're fortunate to be supported by 2 leading universities with some great and brilliant minds, whilst only being 2 hours from London. Our offerings are in e-commerce, cloud and integration, quality assurance and testing, and analytics.
As digital transformation specialists, one of our key areas of our business is integration. Traditionally on-prem middleware, moving more and more now to a cloud-based architecture, where we support our clients both in projects moving workloads to the cloud, but also developing cloud-native applications.
Quite often, when we start working with customers for the first time, they really don't know what they don't know. And so we have what we call analytics health check service. That's always a really good start point for our customers to work out how best to take themselves forward along their journey.
Another way that DeeperThanBlue helps support our clients in the wider community is holding free networking and educational events.
We're an in-house dev team based up north with a team of specialists in many different technologies. This allows us to work with the clients from design stage all the way through to implementation without the need for any third party.
I think working with DeeperThanBlue, we've had an amazing experience in terms of having a really collaborative and supportive team, and actually the way we work with them is actually more like an extension of our internal team rather than an external agency. So I think they've flexed with our requirements and helped support our roadmap and our growth over the last 3 years.